To help MBA students and job aspirants in becoming self-reliant by serving the society in a better way. I will tell you how you become expert in the rental market. You need to compile the data of the property owners and the tenants. For the property owners, you need to collect the information like what is the name of the property owner, secondly address, third email address, fourth address of the property he wants to give on rent, fifth duration for which he wants to give the property on rent, sixthly current rent he is getting, seventhly any specific requirement in terms of he wants to give the property to the students or MNCs or family members, and the date of property or on which same will be vacated. Next, you can say number of rooms he is having and the direction of house like east facing or north facing, and lastly minimum advance he is expecting for giving the property. Now I am talking about the tenants. When I am talking about the tenants, we need the following information like name of the tenant, office address where he is working, college address where he is studying, duration of the person in current job, duration of the college course, his budget, and next you can say his requirement about number of rooms, whether he is going for a AC accommodation or non AC accommodation, whether separate entry or independent house he is looking for, and we also require address proof with a photograph for police verification, and any area specific requirement means north facing, east facing, west, and minimum duration for which he wants to take the property on rent. Now for this one can collect information from the different sources available in the roundabouts, like one can collect this information from the college and peers, from the property dealers, from the signboards put by the owners like he wants to give the property on the rent, from the social network sites, from the press walas, and from the chowkidars, association heads of the society. You can say a kirana owners and groceries, relationship managers, life insurance agents, investment consultants, or HR people. Now I will discuss with you about the scope of earnings. In every 5 kilometer area, more than 1 lakh houses are on rent. Persons go for job for more than 20 kilometers, but when I am talking about their kids, they do not want that their children will go beyond 5 kilometers of area. And in every call center, you can say more than 90% people are on the rent. Same in the IT's companies, and in every company you can say sales team gets transferred every year. Companies require houses for company professionals, and the rent average property dealer is earning is 1 month or a half month rental depending on the norm of the area. Thank you very much.